Good morning friends, welcome to our YouTube channel सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान। इंग्लिश स्पीच है, इंग्लिश राइटिंग स्किल का पार्ट है, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन इन लाइफ। ये 9, 10th, 11th, 12th सब के लिए काम आ सकती है। स्पीच राइटिंग का पैटर्न इससे पहले दिया जा चुका है। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। पहला कोटेशन है नेल्सन मंडेले का। एजुकेशन इज़ द मोस्ट पावरफुल वेपन विच यू कैन यूज टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड। Let's start importance of education in our life. Honorable Chief Guest, Headmaster of a school and our my dear friends, today I am going to speak on the importance of education in our life. Education is one of the most important and mandatory element in our life. It helps the students to analysis while making important decisions in life. Education is essential for a student because after being educated enough, a student will be able to select a good career option for them so that they can succeed in life with the help of education. A good career provides students financial freedom and support along with mental satisfaction. The education of the students helps them in improving their communication skills, for instance, their speech, body language, and many other elements present in the communication system. Education helps students in using technology in a better way in this era of rapid technological development and transformation. Education provides a vision and mission for life. As we all know that education is the key element of everyone's life today. Education has the value that helps in making people valuable and full of knowledge. Education is necessary for the growth of life for everyone. It has the same value for everyone equally. Everyone has the right to learn. Without education, life can become so difficult and hard to survive. Thus, education plays a vital role in our life. Thank you. Summarizing, education is very important to make decisions in life. It is essential to select a good career and to get financial support along with mental satisfaction. Education helps students to improve their communication skills. It makes people valuable and full of knowledge. Without education, life becomes so difficult and hard to survive. I am going to conclude my speech with the following quotation. Education makes a people easy to lead but difficult to drive, easy to govern but impossible to enslave. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।